Kapuso actor David Licauco admitted that he was challenged to play the role of a priest in the upcoming movie, Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan. In an interview with the media during the press conference of the film, David said he was challenged because her priest role needs to be entertaining. My initial reaction was, kaya ko ba markang paywa yun? Just because, I never played that role, na priest ako. Sa Pulang Araw, kasi heavy drama yun, then sa Maria Clara at Ibarra, naman ay more of parang romantic comedy, and then nakagawa rin ako ng action, he said. Pero now, medyo, at ang challenging nga sa akin, sa karakter ko kasi dapat relax lang, Timon. Pero ang challenge talaga ay kung paano pa rin talaga maging entertaining ang role ko, he added. David said that he learned a lot on his role. Pero sa movie na ito, natuto ako na it is okay to commit mistakes, as long as, you learn from your mistakes, and eventually hindi mo na siya gagawin ulit, he said. Sanya Lopez, his co-star in the film, was all praises to David. Tahimik lang, very nonchalant di ba po? Pero ang cute lang na marunong siyang makisama. At hindi rin po ako nahirapan, Sanya said. Directed by Benedict Nick, Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan is showing on April 19.